Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel Kanak's Kitchen. I'm here with all of you again on your so many comments. So without further ado, let's dive right into the recipe. So today we are going to prepare a very healthy and nutritious mixed veg soup. For this I've prepped up all these vegetables. Just make sure your all vegetables are finely chopped for a perfect soup. So first up in a pan, I'm going to heat up 2 teaspoons of oil. You can also use olive oil or butter instead. To this, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of garlic, which is finely chopped, and a tablespoon of ginger. Cook these for about 30 to 40 seconds until their rawness goes away and they become slightly golden brown. Next, I'm adding a few red chilies, which I had handy. If you want, you can also add some green chilies for spiciness. Toss that as well, followed by some spring onion whites. So today I'm using these spring onions. If you want, you can also use the regular onions or you can also use the combination of both. Toss that just for a minute. And then for flavoring, I'm adding a bay leaf and 2-3 cloves. Toss that as well. And then I'm adding all the vegetables. So in goes a carrot which is finely chopped, handful of cabbage, and very finely chopped beans. Mix that and cook just for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook them. They should slightly retain their crunch. So here I'm adding all these vegetables which I had handy and which I like. And if you want, you can also add some finely chopped like mushrooms you can add some tofu, paneer or even chicken. After cooking for 2 minutes, I'm going to add 5 to 6 cups of water. Let it come to a good boil so that all the flavors are nicely infused in the water. It's come to a good boil, let it cover and cook on low-medium flame just for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add half a cup of water to it to make a corn flour slurry out of it. Just make sure there are no lumps in it. This will help in thickening the soup. And here is a tip: if you want to make your soup or gravies thick, you can also use oats powder instead. That's also a very healthy option. Keep that aside. Let's check the soup. All the vegetables are nicely cooked in the water. You can check the water is slightly changed its color because of all the flavors. And then I'm adding all the vegetables, which takes less time to cook. So in goes some capsicum finely chopped, some corns. So these corns are not boiled, it will boil here. And some peas. So today I'm using these frozen peas. If you want, you can also use the fresh peas also, but in that case you will have to cook that along with the onions. And then let these vegetables also cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And let it boil further. Then goes in some salt, around half a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding some sugar, also a teaspoon of sugar to balance out all the flavors in it. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And here I'm using half a teaspoon of dry basil. If you have fresh basil, then you can use that as well. And half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. And again mix and let it cook further for 1 more minute. And now for thickening, I'm going to add this corn flour slurry little by little and mixing it all the while. Make sure you add in batches and mixing it, otherwise it will get lumpy. So keep adding it and cooking it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until you get the desired consistency. You can keep the thickness of the soup as per your preference, and you can also check the seasoning here. So let it boil for further 3 to 4 minutes until it's thickened enough. At this point, you can simply discard the bay leaf and the cloves if you wish to. And then finally garnish it with some cilantro or coriander or some spring onion greens. And here you go guys, your piping hot, very nutritious and healthy mixed vegetable soup is ready. Serve it while it's still hot. And then you can garnish it with some more herbs or cilantro if you like to. And if you enjoyed watching this video today, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and you can also check out my socials in the description below in case you plan to follow me there. Love you guys so much. Until next time, bye bye.